Do you want to win one of our project cars for free? Yes, I said free. I don't want to be like all the other car shows where they're all in the background and they never get used. Because all you lot that are subscribing at the moment and dropping the comments down, it's so nice. I can't believe how positive everyone is being with this. So thank you so much. If you're not subscribed, you need to subscribe. So the 86% that aren't subscribed that are watching the videos, you're not going to win a car if you're not a member of our family. I've got a full video coming out of what we're planning to do with the channel. I smacked my hand on the bloody mirror. Let's crack on with today's video. Well, this week didn't go to plan. Watch the video all the way through to see what happened. But what I must say is you lot are amazing. Thank you so much for all the support we've got in the channel recently. It keeps going up. Another 100 subscribers last week. Thank you very much. This week has definitely not gone to plan. Now then, how you doing? Colin here. This is the Astrovan. We're getting cracked back on with it. If you've never seen any of these episodes, go back and watch the first one. This is the third episode, so go and get yourself refreshed on that. Right, let's get on and let's see if we can get it running. Yeah, so the battery's going on now. Coolant's in, and she'll see if we can get it to start. Got these as well. Very good, actually. Thanks, what are you doing? What are you doing?
This is what you do. That's what it does if it runs out of fuel, and it is an absolute kick house. Come on, Betsy.
Yeah, better than I thought, anyway. So after about 4 hours of messing on, we think we've actually found why it won't start and stay running. Obviously it'll run, looking over, but it's not revving up. So we did a volt test on the battery and it was only putting 11 volts out. So what we're doing now is just swapping the alternator. Luckily, we had one on the shelf and hopefully it'll give the 14 volts we need to get the pump to open to get it to run. So stand by for action. Right, so we've got the alternator on now, put the battery back on and we're going to see if the alternator has cured it and it'll run. No ideas, so yeah, might as well fire it up. I don't know. We've been on with this all day, by the way, trying to get it to run.
Oh, 14.4, that'll do.
Woohoo! That's good. Took me way out to put out, yeah. Still got the front gearbox man to put on. But this is the stage we've got it to. We'll go to rev it, and it just cuts off. We're just going to leave it run for a minute, and then try and rev it.
Many tic-tacs later.
What? Yes, on! Oh, what? That's it. All day. All day for the alternator. Right, let's go and rev it up from the back. Let's go and listen. I can't believe this. being a manual pump, it's got a screw on the pump. So what we're doing now is just getting it set in the right position, because whoever had it before us had wound it right in, so it was over-fueling. So we're just getting that set up in the right position, and then the engine is dialed in, thankfully. I hope so.
When you rev it, it's pulling that bubbly. Should be doing actually, so that would mean it's something at that end.
Oh, is that bubble that?
Well, yeah, but it's like, so that must mean the pump's sucking alright then.
Is that bubble though? To bring the fuel back up to the pump, is that bubble not enough? That sounds awful compared to mine.
Just put your hand on there, just without pushing it.
You have to do away with the bubble. It's revving up mid-air, isn't it? But it's obviously it's going to knock itself out. But
is it the gauze in the tank?
it could be the gauze in the tank. It's been sat off the road for a long time. There was no fuel in it.
We were worried the pump wasn't sucking out.
Yeah, which it is now, because it will rev up and you can hear, you can feel the resistance in there.
So whatever it's trying to pull through in the tank isn't.
Yeah. Tank out, check the gauze in the tank, make sure it's not got any crud in it, which will give better fuel delivery. And is that pump, primer pump, not enough for when the boot comes under boost?
But it never used to have one. It's empty in the line and then it's...
Yeah, it's empty in the line. So right, what we're going to do is, we've been on with this all day, so we're going to go home. So we'll be back on with it tomorrow and we'll see what we can do. Probably take the tank out, it's going to be the next option to clean the tank. Obviously we've got it revving up now because we've got the alternator working properly, but obviously it's draining the line. So there's got to be something, it's building up, we get it built up the pressure and it empties the tank. It's got fuel in the tank, 3/4 of a tank in there, but it must be something in the gauze because there was no diesel in there. So we'll have to get that cleaned out and then yeah. And we'll show you the wheels tomorrow as well because they're proper smart. So see you in the morning. Welcome back. Now Sam slept on it and he come up with an idea.
What my idea is?
Yeah.
Well, having a second look, there's no idle control bolt in there anymore.
Right. Right, I see. So
there's no bracket, there's no bolt, it's just all fallen off.
So what do you reckon to do now then?
Well, we're going to have to make a bracket to hold it in the right position.
Could we try and cable tie it just to try it?
There's already a cable tie on it. I already thought ahead.
Right, well if you've already done that...
And if it works, then we'll just have to fabricate the bracket.
Right.
Needs a bit of solid on the exhaust.
Will it rev up now then? So obviously we don't have to take the fuel tank off, which is a bonus. So we're just going to have to look into order some bits for the pump or see if we can manufacture them to get the stop arm in the right position. So thankfully all that's done. So what we'll do now is we'll jump on, put the gearbox mount on and we'll get the lights all wide up at the front. So yes, we are getting there, finally. We need to re-seal that exhaust as well, don't we? Yeah. The exhaust is blowing, so we need to re-seal that. Sam's putting the gearbox mount on now. She was when I started working at the dime. That's the gearbox mount on. So now, like Sam's just said off camera, it'll stop shaking itself to bits. So we'll drop it down and we'll get all the lights stripped back on it now. Coming together. We got the order for second-hand lights. I believe that's what these are that have come in. Obviously we need the fitments off. It's cheaper just to buy second-hand lights and buy all the clips individually because the aftermarket lights were rubbish. Living in make-believe, hoping your wishes get granted. I know you never giving up unless it's real. Slippery slope, it's not enough to please you. Pretty Caroline, stone cold stunner. She was when I started working at the dime. Serves as a reminder to count your blessings, 'cause it's time they fail. They'll put you down and leave you there, don't make them scared. Yeah, it's the ugly truth, how they come for you. Right, so that's all the lights put in at the front. What we'll do now is we'll put the front bumper on, then we've got something else we're going to fit to the front.
you missed it again. Waiting in line for the party to end. Guess you didn't get what they asked for. Not a genie in sight, that reality gets so. There's no point to being careful. Learn the rules to the game before you lose your mental. Pretty Carolina, the stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the diner. It serves as a reminder to
Go on then.
Sure. Oh, go on, take it off.
No.
What?
Talk.
That's your bit.
No, you can talk now.
I've got to take these screws out
Why are you taking the screws out?
because I am fixing my grill.
You've got another grill.
Yeah.
Right, so the headlights are in, bumpers on, and now Sam's removing the grill because obviously we've got to finish it off with a nice grill. If anyone's got a nice GSI front bumper they don't want, doesn't matter what colour, with all the fog lights, let us know in the comment section below. We might buy it off you if the price is right. It's just a Phillips screw to undo your grill in these Aston Mark 4s. Right, and get this grill off Amazon. There's a link down below to all the bits that we've used on the build. This is Sam's new grill. £28 for the Chinese version. Let's see how she fits. Taiwan is she? Taiwan version. Let's see how she fits. It looks quite good. No, it looks good. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad at all. It's glossy. It's not matte. There's the lights on, the bumper, bonnet's not on all the way, pushed down all the way yet, but that just transforms it now. So what we'll do now is we'll get jumped on and we'll get on with the back lights, and then we'll get the wheels on. You can have a little sneak peek at the wheels, but they're still in the back of the van and it's freezing and the van's put against the wall, so this is cheap, but there we go. Look how amazing they look. They are like brand fire new. There's not a bleb, there's not a mark, there's not a divot. They're absolutely awesome. So we will definitely be sticking them wheels on. Yes, the lights are not going to get fitted. The weather's killed it this week. You guys are amazing. Thank you for all your support in the last video. Thank you for hitting that like button and subscribing. You're going to have to bear with us because we're going to have to put this into another video next week, so we're wrapping it up. But like I said, our projects now, if we get the subscribers and we get the views and you watch the videos, you guys that are out there watching, we will build these projects and one of you will get them for free. We won't raffle them, they'll go to you for free. So all you need to do is watch the videos and subscribe. You know, I don't want to make loads of money. I want to do decent content that you enjoy, that I enjoy doing, and give the car to someone. I don't want them all in the background of my car channel like many other car channels. I want you guys to have them. So we'll see you again in the next one. I am freezing. It is cold. We will get this van finished. Thank you. Bye now.